Hi everyone, welcome to a video where I will show you how easily you can get Instagram on your iPad. I am a new user for iPad, so I had no idea that Instagram has no iPad version available on Apple Store. So whenever you type Instagram on your search bar, you will not get Instagram on your iPad. Rather, you will get some related apps of Instagram. So to get Instagram on your iPad, what you have to do is you have to type Instagram and press search button. Yeah, you are directed to the related programs, but in that case what you have to do is have to go to filters and you have to choose devices or device, and in that case you have to choose iPhone only to get Instagram. Here you are, you have Instagram, and you install it. Then the fun fact about this app is that since it's iPhone version, the resolution of this app is not as you would expect. It's quite weird, but hey, you got your Instagram on your iPad, right? So hope you like this video, and until next time, have a good time.